Hello everyone. We are done with the data interpretation. So in NET and KSET there will be totally 5 questions, and out of 5 at least 4 should be our target. Okay. So from today's class we will go for unit 5. It is mathematical reasoning and aptitude. If you compare this particular unit with other competitive examinations, there will be only one unit which is called as the reasoning, but here mathematical reasoning and aptitude and logical reasoning are separated. Okay. So in this unit we are having a types of the reasoning, some theoretical aspects, then about the number series, letter series, codes and relationships, then mathematical aptitude like fractions, time and distance, ratio, proportions, percentage, profit and loss, interest and discounting, averages, etc. So these are all the topics which we cover under this particular unit. But in other competitive examinations like SBI, IBPS, SSC, RRB, RBI, anything, so these all are the topics. Okay, data interpretation, quadratic equations, number series, approximation, data sufficiency, profit and loss, and many more. Okay, so I'm not going to cover each and everything. How much is necessary for NET and KSET, I'm just going to cover it. Okay, other aspirants, if you're watching these videos, this much is not enough for your preparations. Here my main focus is on NET and KSET. That is why I'm not going to focus more on other aspects. Well, when you speak about mathematical reasoning, there is a few other aspects which is mentioned as we have seen in the syllabus. One, it is a series completion. When you speak about the series, the number series are there and letter series also will be there. Okay, so in the number series, prime number series are there, difference series are there, multiplication series are there, division series are there, n square series are there, n square minus 1, n square plus 1 series are there, n square minus n square plus n series are there, n cube series also will be there. When you speak about letter series, there is a coding and decoding. Under that, alphabetical coding, letter coding on a specific pattern, coding with numerical digits, mixed coding, which is a letter plus digits, and coded statements are the classifications. Let's begin with our type. In today's class, I will go only for the theoretical aspects with some examples. Okay, so the series completion, one is a number series where the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, it's infinite. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know about the even numbers as well, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and infinite. But these prime numbers are a little bit different. So what is prime numbers? Even you can include the 1 in this particular series. Prime numbers are that series which is divisible by that number itself and by 1 only. Okay, from the same number and by the number, if any number is divisible, then it is called as prime numbers. Okay, for example, 1 obviously it can be called as a prime number, but the reference books don't show it as a prime number. So 2, it is divisible by 2 and 1. 3 is, it is divisible by only 3 and 1. 5 is divisible by only 5 and 1. So 6 is divisible by 2, 3, 1 and also that's not a prime number. 7 is divisible by 7 and 1. 11 is divisible by 11 and 1. Okay, 12 is divisible by 3, 4, 6, 2 and also that's why it's not prime number. Likewise, this series continues. Then to solve this type of the problems, what we should know? For the number series, you should know about n squares till 30, n cube till 20, tables 1 to 30 up to 20 count, fractions and percentages which I have done in the previous class, and ASMD addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and about the BODMAS as well. You should know this one I have done in the previous classes. Okay, here are some examples for the prime number series. You can find out the answer, I hope. So these are the prime number series, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What is next prime number? Obviously that will be 13, and 2, 5, 11, 17 dash 31. So what is the series here? 2 is a prime number, 3 is missing, 5 is a prime number, 7 is missing, 11 is a prime number, 13 is missing, 17 is a prime number which should be missed, 19 should be missed, and 23 is a prime number, 29 should be missed, and 31. Okay, so what should be our answer? 23 should be our answer in the question number 2. When you speak about the difference series, you have to take just the difference. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. I hope you can solve. So in the number series, usually you have to take the differences. Okay, these two differences, these two differences you can take. And if you haven't found any logic, once again go for the other steps as well. Okay, you have to go for 2 steps. If you haven't found, then you can see the next types of the series as well. Here you can see 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. What is the difference? The difference is just 3. Okay, so that is why the answer should be 20. Okay, so the next question is 45, 38 dash 24, 17, 10. So this is in a decreasing order. How much that is? The 7 is the difference here. So your answer should be 31. Okay, you can see 45 minus 38 will be 7. 24 minus 17 will be 7. 17 minus 10 will be 7. 10 minus 3 will be 7. So likewise, the difference series will come. 2, 5, 9, 14, 22, 27. I hope you can solve. So you have to choose the odd number out. Okay, then multiplication series, you should know about the multiplications, then only you can understand this. So this is nothing but into 3 series. Okay, so into 3 series, 2 into 3 will be 6, 6 into 3 will be 18, 18 into 3 will be 54. So what is 54 into 3? You have to understand 54 into 3 will be 162. Okay, how will you calculate? 50 into 3, then 4 into 3. Okay, so this will become 150, this will become 12, total will be 162. You have to make the calculations in this way. Okay, so likewise there will be many more questions. These are just examples, so that is why I am not going in detail. Okay, the division series also will be there, 128, 32, 8 and all. So you just check it in which division series. This is in the divided by 4. Okay, 128 divided by 4 will be 32, 2 divided by 4 will be 8, 8 divided by 4 will be 2. So that is what next number. Likewise 720, 120, 24. Division is in the series. 720 divided by 6 is 120, 120 divided by 5 is 24, 24 divided by 4 is 6, 6 divided by 3 should be the 2. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.